Hey, this is Robert here with Alpharetta Tint Pros. Just going to go over the procedure for installing film on factory tinted rear slider windows on a F250. So first we're just going to use some water and baby shampoo and spray the windows down. Now these have rear defrosters, so we can't use a stainless steel razor blade to clean them. So instead we'll just use a white scrubby pad. This is intended to loosen up any dirt or debris that may have accumulated on the glass. All right, once that's finished, we'll use our Blue Max. Just push all that dirt into an edge. Alright, we have a computer cut system where we punch in the year, make, and model of the vehicle, and it actually cuts the window tint out for us, exact for the car that we're working on. So I just filled the excess film, and now you can see the outline of the window that we're going to be installing. So we peel the clear layer to expose the glue. And then slide the window around to make sure it's lined up properly. Now this customer is doing a 50% tint over the factory tint, which will make this meter out around 10 to 15. The lower the number, the darker it is. And then we also installed 15% on the front two doors. So that way when this is all said and done, everything will match up and look similar from the outside. The middle windows. Alright, just do one last little check over and make sure there's no light gaps. Make sure that the film's lined up. Then you're going to take the Blue Max and squeegee out all the excess water. Now over the next few days, as these windows set in the sun, there will be some bubbles, blurry spots, things that pop up. That's all normal. It's just the sun having the water evaporate out. And typically within a week or so, everything will cure out completely. Then you're going to use a triangle and a towel and just go around the edging just to make sure it secures everywhere and that no fingers pop up, which is just excess water coming back into the glass.